Alright people, time to show you this here. This is about as old as me. 1975, or this came out in 1974, I'm not so sure. This was my parents, a machine what they owned then in the 1970s, and it works still, people. This works still. This barely works. And this just shows you how, like in the old times, in the retro times, and they made stuff to last. That they made stuff to last. See, they made stuff, and now they don't. Hang on, Peel. I'll show you the box first, and then I'll show you the machine. It's just one simple machine. It's quite weighty, good quality machine, people. From the 1970s. Yeah, I think this is 1970. I don't know. Check it out, people. Check it out. And people are showing all the detail. Made in Australia, see? Made in Australia. This is pure Australian machine. It's not even made in China. This is made in Australia. Pure Aussie machine, people. Pure Aussie machine. Oh, hang on, watch this first. What's this? This might stay the year, I think. What's this? No, people, it doesn't. It's a good machine, though, people. Oh, plug in, people. I'll plug in. I'll plug in, eh? Hang on, let's put on the. That's better, people. You can see it for yourself. Look at the dust on there. And because the last time I tested that, because the last time I tested that, people, was in 2006. Yeah, back in 2006, people. That's the last time I tested it. And this will work still because it hasn't been used for a very long time, people. It's been sitting in this old box. The old original box, people. What came out then. Now hang on, people. Got it on the chair. Plug into here, people. Plug into here. People, because my channel. Can people? What can I say? I don't say people. I don't say people. I don't say. But I'm saying people that on my channel just shows old stuff. This is old stuff here. I'm trying to do this good review here. I haven't. Let's pause for a minute. Trying to do a good review, people. I don't know what to say, and that's why I'm going. I'm trying to think what to say, people. I'm trying to think what to say. I'll turn it on and shine it on there, people. Oh shit! My battery adapter machine. Battery fast, Jay. Got it there, people. I'm going to turn off the light. Hang on. It's before I turn off, people. I turn this one on. Now, people, are you ready to go back in time? Got it. Shine on the tapes there. Gonna have it. Now, people, time to turn on. Hang on, people. Hang on. Check it out, people. Check it out. Still works after all these years. 47 or 48 years, or I don't know. This is a big old machine. No, people, what can I say? I don't know what to say, people. People, I don't know what to say. Yeah, see, I can't find the photographs in the skies because I've got them in the house somewhere. Put it away in a box, don't know where I put it. Oh, people. What do you think of this, eh? Oh, right there, it stings though. I can smell the burning on the dust inside that. Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. That's right, people. I forgot to mute this. That's right, I forgot about that. See, people. Do you see what I mean now, people? Let's see what the tapes look like from. See? That's the way it works. You put the photographs in here and it shows up on there. Like that. Well, people, what do you think of this, eh? It's hot already. That's hot already, people. That's steaming. Yeah, people. Got a fair idea now. Well, there it is, people. There it is. I'll turn off now. Won't be, no. This won't be better used for a long time again. It's just, it's old thing from the past to remember. People. Well, people, you see it? Got it right there. There's me standing behind it. This is about as old as me, people. That shows you how old this is. Right, people. It's the end of that, eh? It's the end of that. It's my review about showing this old retro machine what people used in those times. It's good though. It's good though. It's good seeing old stuff like this again. Had it in a box in the house for years. Right, people. Then right, people. You see me in that. Right, people, they're in.